Hey guys! Welcome back to another review. In this episode of the review, we will introduce the best storage box that is available in the market. This review was based on customer feedback and ratings, price, quality, materials, design, and more. If you need more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. If you have any questions, please leave us a message in the comments section and we will get back to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. Let's dive into our video. Are you having problems with the clutter at home? Overstuffed file cabinets, cascading piles of toys, tangled cords, sound familiar? We all have it. That one spot in the home where clutter accumulates like a vacuum. If you struggle with any of these clutter problems, don't worry, we have solutions to offer that will help you create a home you love. This foldable storage chair was made to provide solutions to your clutter problems at home. What makes this product unique? Let's dive into our review and learn the product uses, features and specifications. First, it is a foldable storage chair. A multifunctions that can be used as a storage, organizer, footrest, chair, or coffee table. Second, the material is made from PVC leather, and E1 MDF, and a 25mm sponge. Third, it has a random color like red, brown, black, and many more. Fourth, this storage box has an overall dimension of 76 cm by 38 cm by 38 cm. Fifth, it has an ample storage space, a spacious hidden storage space for clothes, blankets, children's toys, or any other kinds of stuff inside. This helps you organize your living room, bedroom, and hallway. Fifth, it serves as a comfortable seat, padded with a high-resilient sponge. This small ottoman will bring you a superior sitting experience, soft corners protect you, and your families from bumps. Sixth, super sturdy structure, supported by thickened MDF boards, this storage ottoman can hold up to 660 pounds under static state, you don't need to worry about the durability at all. Seventh, hassle-free assembly, the setup only takes seconds, it can also be folded flat stored in a cabinet to save space when not in use, wonderful for college dorms and RV. 8. Versatile storage chest, with easy to clean faux leather and the ideal size, 15 inches by 15 inches, this ottoman can be a footrest stop, or a portable coffee table. This Ottoman sofa storage box can be ordered online, using the link provided in the description box in this video. The current price is 69% off. From its original price of 2,200 pesos, you can buy this product at 678.03 pesos. Order now and take advantage of the discount. I hope the information in this review helps. If you like this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.